welcome to this detailed look at the 2026 Honda N-Van Camper. Today, we're diving into the exciting features, smart design, and price details of this compact yet highly functional camper that's taking the world by storm. The 2026 Honda N-Van Camper blends practicality, comfort, and innovation, all in one small package, perfect for solo travelers, couples, and micro-adventure seekers. The exterior keeps that classic Boxy N-Van design but with upgraded camper-friendly modifications like roof racks, window shades, an extendable canopy, and sleek new LED lights. It's compact enough for city driving yet ready to hit the open road for your next escape. Step into the interior and you're greeted with a surprisingly spacious and functional cabin. The seats fold completely flat to transform into a comfortable sleeping space. There's a built-in mini kitchenette with a compact sink, storage drawers, and a small induction cooker, ideal for cooking on the go. Lighting is soft LED, and there are charging ports and USB outlets to keep your devices powered. For storage, Honda has designed multi-level compartments, under-seat spaces, and a rear drawer system for organizing camping gear. It's intelligently designed so every inch of the van is used efficiently. Climate control ensures a comfortable experience in both hot and cold weather, and optional solar panels on the roof can support small appliances or recharge the battery system. The 2026 N-Van Camper is powered by a fuel-efficient hybrid engine and offers smooth handling with Honda's reliable CVT transmission. Safety features include collision mitigation, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system. Now let's talk pricing. The starting price for the base 2026 Honda N-Van Camper is expected to be around 2.2 million yen in Japan, which is roughly $15,000, making it one of the most affordable campers in its category. Higher trims with more tech and camper features can reach up to 2.8 million yen or about $19,000. Whether you're looking for a daily driver that transforms into a weekend camper or a dedicated mini-adventure van, the 2026 Honda N-Van Camper might just be your perfect match. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to let us know what you think about this micro camper revolution.